Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. First of all, you have to check if your internet connection is working or not. And you can go and search for speed test and run a speed test to check if your internet connection is working fine. If this solution doesn't work, then what you can do is run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. So what you have to do is open Settings, then select System, scroll down, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters. Now here you have to find Windows Store Apps. If you are not able to find Windows Store Apps, then what you have to do is simply type in Windows Store Apps in the search bar. You will be able to see Find and Fix Problems. Select that. Click on Next. Now it will try to detect. As you can see, it has diagnosed a problem. So I will select that. Now you have to follow the prompts and check and after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. Another fix is you can try to open Run. Hit Windows key and type in run, hit enter, and type in wsreset.exe, hit enter. This will clear the cache of your Microsoft Store and it will help you regain your access. If this solution also doesn't work for you, then what you have to do is open Windows Settings, go to the Apps section, click on Installed Apps, and then in the Search Apps, you have to type in Microsoft Store. If you're not able to find that, click on System Components. Here you'll be able to see Microsoft Store. Click on the three dotted options, click on Advanced Options. Now you have to go to the Repair tab, click on Repair, and it will try to repair the Microsoft Store. If it doesn't work for you, then you can also go for the Reset button and it will reset all the components of the Microsoft Store. So if this method also doesn't work for you, then what you have to do is try to update your Windows. So click on the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Updates. Click on Check for Updates and check if there are any updates available. As you can see, there's update available. I will click on Download and Install. Once installed, click on the Restart button to restart your PC and update your PC and check if the problem is fixed or not. Now, if the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is hit the Windows key and type in CMD. It will show you command prompt, right click on Run as Administrator. Now, you have to type in this command and hit enter. Now, this command will help you re-register your Microsoft Store. And these are all the fixes. If you know any other fix, then you can also tell me in the comment section below. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.